Hi, I'm going to show you how to change an image that you find on Google and put it into Paint and change it so that it will be what you need for your digital breakout. The first thing we need to do is go to Google search. I'm going to type in flower cartoon because cartoons are a little easier. I'm going to go to images and then I'm going to click on tools, usage right, and click on labeled for non-commercial use, reuse with modification. Now I need to pick a flower and I'm going to go ahead and pick this one. And I see right here, I'm going to right click it, copy the image. Then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to click on the window icon for Windows 10 and type in Paint. And you'll see that it's right here. And then I'm going to click on Paste. And there's the picture. Now, it's a little big for me to work with, and you'll see that it has a selection rectangle around it. I'm going to grab it. There we go. And I'm going to shrink it down so it's a little easier to use. Okay. A little bit more. Try. There we go. Now, I want to put numbers on this, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select the text and I'm going to make a text box. I want to make it pretty big because I want this to be at least 26. And I'm going to put the number 1. Oh, that's too small. Let's go a little bigger. How about 36? Oh yeah, much better. And then I'm going to move it. And this is really important. It's important to move it to where you want it to be right now, because once you click out of this, it is now a part of the picture and you cannot change it without, well, let me show you what happens. If I want to try to get it out, if I select it, I take the whole thing out. But as always, you can always Control Z and it puts it back. And if you don't want the one there, you can Control Z it again until it goes away. But I want it there, so I'm going to hit Control Y to get it back. And then I'm going to go ahead and type in some more numbers. So I'm going to put 2, 3, and I'm just going to keep doing this until I have all the numbers that I want on these leaves. But I've got to make sure I move them where I want them, because once I've moved them, that's it. Whoops, I forgot to type my text box. And 2 more numbers. It doesn't take very long to set this up if you know what to do. And Paint is very friendly. Okay, so we have 8. Now, I've decided I don't really care for the background very much. So I'm going to go ahead and change the background. So I'm going to go here and click on this icon, which is filled with color. It is, looks like a bucket of paint. You click on it, pick the color that you want, and then click on where you want it to go. I think the pink's a little too much. How about lavender? Oh, I like that. So, and then I've noticed, you know, I really like the green that they have here, and I want to use it a little bit more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick this tool. I'm going to click on it, and notice that the pick tool turned into a paint can. And I'm going to go ahead and change the color of this orange to green just to make it different. And then I was thinking that, you know, I noticed these little colors right here of orange, and I'm thinking this would be great to use a color. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on different colors. And so I already have green, so I'll do green. And then I'm going to click on blue. And I'm just going to click on different colors until I filled every single one of these with a different color. And then you can use your clues to include numbers and or colors. I don't think I've used, I'm trying to find a color I haven't used. Purple, I don't think I've used purple. So I need 2 more colors. Black will be good. And oops, I didn't change the color. Oh, I had as color 1 is what it needs to be. And then I think I'll choose white. And there we go. So now I have all the, oops, I have 3 oranges. Let's fix that. I think we need pink and purple. Okay, so basically that's very simple, just setup of what you can do. The next thing that you might want to do, make sure you do, is hit File, Save As. I'm going to say flower. I'm going to say breakout flower so that I know that it's part of my breakout. And hit Save. Make sure you put it where you can find it. I put it on Desktop Cut and hit Save. And there you go. That's how you can alter a picture.